this video, I'm making a part 3. So in my last 2 videos, I taught a couple of footwork drills in the Palo of Tangos using triplets, and today we're going to put those 2 together. If you haven't looked at those videos or learnt those triplets and you want to, I will link them both in the description. And also in today's video, I'm going to put some arms with the movements, so we'll have a nice complete footwork drill to work with. Hello, I'm Belinda Retamal, the Flamenco coach, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I believe anyone can learn how to dance flamenco at any age, at any stage, even if you've never danced before. My mission is to help other dancers learn how to dance flamenco easily. Let's take a look at the arms for the first set of triplets. If you'll remember, the pattern is 2 long and 2 short, 1 long, and then we finish with a cierre. With the 2 long, we start on the right foot. So with that, we're just going to have our arms by our opposite hip, our left hip, and we'll turn our head to the right. So we'll be starting with the right foot, head facing to the right, and our arms by our left hip. So keep your shoulders nice and broad and elbows lifted always. And with our hands, we can do some little inward circles, outward circles, however you feel comfortable. Or if you're not comfortable doing the wrist circles, just keep them straight in a nice position like this, with the fingers splayed a little bit. That will be the position for when we do the first long starting on the right. The second long, when we start on the left leg, we're going to move our hands across to the right hip and face our head to the left. And that will come on count 8 because the first long finishes on count 7, and then we'll do 8, preparing for into the left side. So that's for the 2 long, and we're going to do the same again for the 2 short. So we'll have hands on the left hip, face heading towards the right for the right side, and then swap over for the left. So that's 2 short. And then for the last long, we're just going to bring our arms up and down. So up, we can do some circles as we come up, and we're going to bring them down on the 7. So I'll face the back and let's run through those arms with the feet. We're starting with our hands on our left hip and our face towards the right. So kind of the right diagonal is what I'm doing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the 7, we can bring our arms down quickly in a little sharp movement to accent that count there. So that's the footwork pattern: 2 long, 2 short, 1 long, and now we're into the cierre, the close, and that's starting with a stamp on the right. And for that one, we're bringing our hands to our right hip this time, right, and we will look towards the left corner, the left diagonal. So that's the right stamp, and swap over for the left. And then we're doing a little flick out. And as we do the flick out, we're going to also flick our hands up to the ceiling. So it's a little flick, stamp, stamp. And as we're bringing our hands down, they're coming to our left hip. And we're finishing with our left leg in front. So from the top of that cierre, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So those are the arms for the first set of triplets, and now we're ready to look at the second set of triplets. For the second set of triplets, we're going to do the same pattern. So the feet are the same pattern. We have 2 long, 2 short, 1 long, and then the cierre. So we're going to do similar arms as well. We have, starting with the stamp on the right, our hands on our left hip and our face heading toward the right diagonal corner. We'll be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, be including the palmas, and we'll simply be bringing our hands from our hip out in front of us to do our claps, and then when we're ready for the other side, we'll then bring our hands toward our other hip, the right hip. Starting with the left foot, we'll be having our head facing the left corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as well as bringing our hands in front for the palmas, we'll also be bringing our head straight to the front too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do the same for the two short. So starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the two long, two short. Now we're up for the one long, and we're going to do the same as before, which is bring our arms out to the side, up and down for the 2, 3, 4. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're into the cierre, and we'll do the same arms as before there as well. So I'll turn and face the back, and we'll run through that slowly while we just get the movement in. Starting with our hands on our left hip, face towards the right, starting with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And cierre. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's now put those two together with some solo compás, doing first set of triplets and then the second set of triplets, one after the other. We'll practice it at 2 speeds for the solo compás, and then we'll put our footwork to some beautiful tangos music. This is the slow solo compás in the palo of tangos. I've set it to 90 beats per minute. Let's put our footwork patterns together and with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster now. We're at 100 beats per minute for the palo of tangos. Let's put our footwork patterns together with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. out. I don't know about you, but I am sweating now. I did have to re-record a couple of times because as well as a good workout for the feet, it's also a workout for the brain, and I may have made a couple of mistakes with the arms, and I did. So yes, it was a lot of fun and I love the practice. Even if I have to do it more than one time in a row, it's practice, and practice makes us better. If you liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like learning how to dance flamenco, because I'll be coming back with some more